In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up vacation time in Calendly. If you're stepping away from work, it's important to pause incoming bookings so people can't schedule time while you're out. Calendly makes this simple by letting you mark specific dates as unavailable without changing your normal weekly schedule. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, log into your Calendly account. Before you make changes, it's a good idea to be in the correct account and double check that your time zone is set properly in your profile. That way, the dates you block will match the actual days you're off. Next, go to the availability section. This is where your default working hours live, and it's also where you'll set exceptions for vacations and holidays. Think of availability as your master schedule. Your regular hours continue as usual, and any one-off changes you make here will override those hours for specific dates. Look for the Date-Specific Hours area and click Add. This opens a date picker and a small panel for customizing just that one day. Instead of editing your recurring hours, you're about to create a one-day exception. Select the date of your vacation. If you're taking several days, you'll add each one separately, which keeps things clear and easy to manage. Choose the first day you'll be away, so Calendly knows exactly which date you want to adjust. Now, in the hours section for that date, click the X icon to set it to unavailable. If you see a time range listed, the X removes it and the day becomes blocked to invitees. This tells Calendly not to offer any time slots on that specific date, so no new meetings can be booked while you're out. Repeat that same process for your other vacation dates. Click Add again, pick the next date, and use the X to mark it unavailable. Continue until every day of your time off appears in the list as unavailable. This creates a clear set of exceptions that safely pauses bookings across those dates. Once you've done this, your public booking pages will automatically reflect the changes, and people won't see availability on the days you've blocked. Your regular schedule before and after your vacation stays intact, so you don't have to rebuild anything later. It's a simple, reliable way to prevent last-minute scheduling while you're away and keep your calendar clean when you return. If your plans change, you can come back to the same area and adjust or remove any date-specific entries at any time.